This is Colin O'Keefe here again for LXBN TV and our coverage of the Los Angeles chapter of the LMA's 2014 Continuing Marketing Education Conference. As part of that, I am speaking now with Judith Gordon. She is the Director of Marketing and Professional Development at Buchalter Nemer, and she is speaking at the event on communication keys that drive connectivity and profitability. Judith, of course, one of the key obligations and measures of success for marketing and business development professionals is basically just to facilitate the success of lawyers and their law firms. So what are some of the keys to that? What should professionals focus on, and what role does cultivating curiosity play within that?
Yes. Hi, Colin. Well, yes, we are tasked with facilitating the success of law firms and their lawyers, whether we're internal marketing professionals or consultants or vendors. Ultimately, that is the task that we're required to carry out. So how do we do that? Well, there's some really interesting research that was performed at the beginning of the decade. In 2002, a social scientist named Daniel Kahneman won a Nobel Prize for proving that we make important financial decisions emotionally, not rationally. So what does that mean for us? What that means is that when clients are hiring law firms and lawyers, they may think that they're doing it based on data and research, but ultimately their ultimate decision is based on what emotional experience were they having when they interacted with that lawyer. Was it a positive emotional experience? Did they trust that lawyer? Did they like that lawyer? Competency is presumed. So trust and likability trump competence. If they trust and like the lawyer, they're likely to hire and rehire that lawyer over and over again. So the next question is then, how do we cultivate these positive emotional experiences in our professional relationships? And that would lead into the curiosity. When you cultivate curiosity as an individual, what we're doing is we're asking open-ended, powerful questions, right? That's how we cultivate curiosity. So what is an open-ended question? It's a question that doesn't presume the answer. It's one that you don't already know the answer to by the way the question is asked. So when we cultivate curiosity, we give the person we're interacting with room for reflection and room to think about what it is they need and what they're looking for from the attorney that they're interviewing.
I see. Once again, that was Judith Gordon of Buchalter Nemer. For more of our coverage of this event, be sure to visit us at lxbn.com/LMACME. Thank you for joining me today, Judith.
Thank you.